you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through a numeric concept in the calculation of magnetic field at the center of a geometrical figure. In this concept, we are taking a square. Geometrical figure can be varied, but similar concept is to be applied in all such geometrical figures. Let us suppose what I am considering, that I am calculating the magnetic field at the center of this coil, which is actually a square of side 2A carrying current I. As this I is in anti-clockwise direction, I can be in anti-clockwise direction also. Only the direction of magnetic field will change. The magnitude will remain same. As you can observe that this square coil is of side 2A. If we need to calculate magnetic field at the center, we can observe that this square coil is made up of 4 conductors AB, BC, CD and DA. Both are straight conductors. Since by Biot-Savart law, magnetic field due to a straight conductor we have calculated as mu naught I upon 4 pi A sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2, where phi 1 and phi 2 are the angles subtended by the end points of this conductor. Since by the concept of geometry we know that these edges subtend an angle of 90 degree at the center, which implies that each of the angle is 45 degree. Therefore, phi 1 is 45 degree, phi 2 is 45 degree. Mu naught upon 4 pi is a constant parameter, can be substituted. I definitely provided, we can substitute its value. Now here comes an important parameter A. What is this A? This A is actually the perpendicular distance from the point at where you are calculating the field. Since we are calculating the field at point O, so what is the perpendicular distance? As the total distance is 2A, so the distance OD should be equal to A. Let us suppose if it is given 20 centimeters, then you can take A as 10 centimeter. But the most important concept is that this A represents the perpendicular distance of this conductor from this center O. Substituting these values, that is, we are substituting A in place of A only, we have B equals to mu naught I upon 4 pi A sin 45 plus sin 45. Apart from this, we know that the value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now, as we observe this figure, I just said it is made up of 4 different conductors. We have just calculated the field due to this single conductor. Now what we need to do in calculation of net field, we only need to multiply by a parameter of 4, by a factor of 4, since it is made up of 4 straight conductors. Hence you have net magnetic field equals to 4 times of mu naught I upon 4 pi A 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 gives you a value 2 by root 2. On simplifying this, you will get the final value as root 2 times mu naught I upon pi A. So try to simplify it. You will get your final answer as root 2 times mu naught I upon pi A. So this was the basic concept behind calculation of magnetic field at the center of square. I hope you have understood this numerical well, this concept well, which can be applied to variable geometrical figures. Thank you.